He's $1.40 a dollar. Late support numbers 1 and 5, 1400 metres, and we're set for a start. Racing in the feature, Gold Chest the slowest to move. One of the first to appear was Conti with Shanghai Master. King of Hearts, Regency Bobo, Magic Legends powering through nearer the inside. Furore's racing quite handy. He's cutting across and he's going to settle outside of Heavenly Thought, Citron Spirit. Joyful Trinity's caught 3 and 4 deep, 5th last. From Gold Chest, who's 4th last, then Infinity Endeavour. 2 back to Bear Slam, and World Record settles at the rear. Magic Legend chugging along at the 800. 3/4 to Regency Bobo. King of Hearts has got a nice trail, first up in 3rd. Conti settled 4th, and Furore's 5th, but he's 3 deep, no cover. 2 back, Shanghai Master inside of Citron Spirit. A length and a half to Joyful Trinity outside of Heavenly Thought. Then as they come to the corner, Infinity Endeavour from Gold Chest, who's pushed on, Bear Slam, and last of all is World Record. They're in the straight. Regency Bobo took over from Magic Legend. Conti strides up. King of Hearts will have to check around his heels. Citron Spirit, then Furore, Joyful Trinity, Infinity Endeavour and World Record, but Conti broke away inside the 2 from Regency Bobo, Citron Spirit, King of Hearts, Joyful Trinity. Conti's going powerfully. He's a big unit, and it's another win. It's 7 out of 8 now, and Conti goes on to score by 2 to Citron Spirit. Joyful Trinity might be 3rd. Infinity Endeavour, Regency Bobo, World Record, and then came Furore from King of Hearts. Next in was Bear Slam. Gold Chest was off the bit, chasing a long way out. Furore's well back with Heavenly Thought and Magic Legend. Six out of 8 it is for Conti. Whatever the score, it's impressive again. 2 lengths. Citron Spirit, oh gee, it's close 3rd. It'll probably go to the old timer in Joyful Trinity, and I'm not really sure for 4th. Joe Moreira, of course, has been back in town for a week now, and haven't been too many wins for Joe, but he's enjoyed this one on Conti, a horse he knows